Hello and welcome back to another video key with Mrs. Reister. This one we're going over one-step equations, which is activity 1 for Thursday, April 2nd. We have two equations here to solve. Let's start with the first one. Negative 6c equals 72. So our whole goal is to solve for c, to figure out what does c equal. And we use inverse operations to solve. So when I read this first equation here, I see that negative 6c is really saying negative 6 times c. And the inverse operation of negative 6 times c is going to be to divide by negative 6. And I'm going to divide by negative 6, not just 6, because I want to get rid of everything but the variable c. I want c to be left alone, and I'm just taking away negative 6 here. And then I'm going to, on the other side, divide by negative 6 as well. 72 divided by negative 6 is negative 12. And again, I can check it by substituting in place in my equation for c. Negative 6 times negative 12 equals 72. And if that is in fact correct, then I know I've solved my equation correctly. And moving on, b, x minus 17 equals negative 63. Again, inverse operations here. When I look at this equation, I see that I'm subtracting right here. I'm subtracting 17. So the inverse of that is going to be to add 17. So I'm going to add 17 on the left, and I'm going to add 17 on the right. Hold on, sweetheart. And now I have negative 63 plus 17. And I see that there are more negatives than positives. And then I just take the difference of the two values. So 63 minus 17 is 46, negative 46. And again, just like with all of these equations, you can substitute your value for x in place. Sweetheart. You can substitute your value for x in place and then check to see if you've solved it correctly. Thanks for watching.